Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket, and we're bringing you along again for another Blackstone Griddle cook. We're doing hamburgers and hot dogs and onions and peppers, but I've done filmed the hamburgers once, but I couldn't use that footage, so I'm doing it again. We got the grill heating up and my son getting in my way, but it's fine. This Blackstone Griddle, it like brings the family together because everybody gathers out here to cook on it. Now we've got, y'all know I'm in Georgia. I'm in the South. It's tornado season. So we've got bad storms and tornadoes headed this way, so it's windy and stuff keeps blowing on the grill, but that's enough of that. Let's get started. I'm going to turn it down where it's not on high, about medium, and we're going to smash the burgers. And I want to give my friend Christy from Christy's Cooking Channel, she's the one. Usually I just smashed it with this and it would stick and everything, but I saw her use parchment paper on her burgers, so thanks Christy. I will link her channel below. Smash it. You get it even because you're just smashing the one side. See, it's thicker on that side. Okay, Alex. But can you hold this and hold it on both sides? That's my son's hand that you see. Now, actually, this is my griddle. I bought it with my money. Have I got to cook on it yet? Nope, not really. Because everybody's always like, I want to do it, I want to do it. Alex, you can't just move it right away. But that's fine. I don't really mind. Alex, please stop moving it right away.
I gotta have room to smash.
And I'm just going to season it up with salt and pepper. And of course now we just got hot dogs on it, so we'll flip them, and then when we go to flip them I'm going to try to move them down some so I can get my onions and peppers.
Not yet, don't
I'm getting to use it. Now I'm just going to take my scraper and scrape up some of this to put my onions and all on.
Go to the side.
Put the mushrooms in there too. Honestly, it don't take hamburgers and stuff long to cook at all on this. It really cooks fast. Not sure about frozen burgers. We haven't used frozen burgers yet. Maybe when I get to cook on it, I'll title Cricket actually gets to cook on her griddle.
I like cooking on this thing.
I can tell. Can I flip the onions one time?
No.
And I want to give another shout out to Mr. Mega Fred Zeppelin. I hope I said your channel right. But he is the one that told me to put like a wooden skewer, a little wooden chopstick in where the grease drains down into the trap to lead it straight down in there. I'll put a link to his channel. Go by and show him some love and tell him I sent you. And thank you for the tip on that. Okay, we're calling all of this done. Thanks for watching. I'm not going to show any more because all we'll be doing is fixing it like I'm going to have a slaw dog and stuff. But I'm not going to toast my buns today. We usually do toast our buns on here and it toasts them perfect. But thanks for watching. If you feel like it, please check out the other videos that should be popping up. If you're enjoying these Blackstone Griddle cooks, please let me know. To all of my subscribers, you're awesome. Thanks for all of your love and support. And I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.